There's been a lot of talk about whether you can make money working from home. Many people think that there are not many options out there. But what if I told you that you could make $65 an hour working from home? Sound too good to be true? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get paid $65 per hour working from home. You don't need a degree, skills, or experience to make this work for you. Get started now and live the life of your dreams. So don't miss out. Watch the video all through, check the description for amazing money-making hacks, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's jump to our today's video. If you're looking to make some money and want a flexible gig, look no further than Translator. You don't have to be fluent in a language to qualify for this job. All you need is a high school education and an online translator application. A translator is a person who translates written or spoken material from one language to another. It is an essential job in the field of translation. Freelance translators are people who work as independent contractors and provide their services to various organizations for a fee. They work from home, and this makes it more convenient for them to adjust their schedules according to their preference. You can get paid $65 per hour, or more, for working from the comfort of your home, be your own boss, and set your own hours. No previous experience is necessary. Here, I'll show you the top companies for translators. 1. Genentech. Genentech is a biotechnology company dedicated to pursuing groundbreaking science to discover and develop medicines. According to Indeed, the average salary for a translator is $65.78 per hour. 2. Open Systems Incorporated. Open Systems Incorporated provides technical consulting, professional staffing, and web-based business process management (BPM) products and solutions that enable organizations to adapt to change. According to Indeed, the average salary for a translator is $41.23 per hour. 3. Lumen. Lumen deliver the fastest, most secure global platform for applications and data to help businesses, government and communities deliver amazing experiences. The Lumen platform combines adaptive networking, edge cloud, security, and communication and collaboration to help businesses achieve amazing things. According to Indeed, the average salary for a translator is $30.51 per hour. 4. Haverhill Public Schools. The Haverhill Public Schools is committed to excellence in education and will meet and exceed the academic and developmental goals of success for all students. The Haverhill Public School system is dedicated to ensuring each learner meets or exceeds rigorous academic standards to become a citizen with integrity, skills, and the resources to succeed in the global community. According to Indeed, the average salary for a translator is $30 per hour. In the end, don't forget to check the description box to earn big money instantly, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.